What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. So I have a quick little news thing about the channel for you. As you know, I always try to break up my channel into playlists. If you're new to the channel, make sure you check out my playlist area. I kind of separate everything. We got a lot of videos. There's over 600 videos on the channel, so I kind of like to break it down so it's easy for you to find what you need and what you want as far as the videos for whatever you're doing with your truck. But today I would like to introduce a new playlist that I feel is long overdue, and people ask about these videos all the time. The playlist will be all the installs that I've done on this and the other Tundras, you know, driver side grab handle, tonneau cover, everything like that, side steps. Every single install I've done, I have now put into a playlist that I'm introducing on this video called Install Videos, very simply put. So go check that out if you need anything. At the end of this video, I am going to put up a clickable link right on the screen somewhere around me to click and check out the playlist. Like I said, I always make the playlist so it's easier for you guys to find what you need on the channel instead of looking through almost 700 videos at this point. So if there's ever a playlist you would like me to create, please let me know, and I will take care of it from there. There's already a good amount of playlists up there. May I suggest the 1794 vs. TRD Pro? The TRD Pro Tundra catalog. There's a bunch. Check them all out. Let me know what you think. But today we're introducing install videos to make it a lot easier for you, the subscriber who's been here a while, or the newest viewer. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that button and also hit the notification bell and join us. Enjoy the channel. Let me know if you need anything, want anything, would like to see anything, and also join us on live streams, which at this point we're doing a lot of live streams a week, but it's usually Wednesday and Saturday are the two guaranteed days. Usually 7 or 8 p.m. Eastern, so hit your notification bell so you get a message every time I go live. But for now, we have all these videos and this brand new playlist. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Twitter and Instagram at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. You guys have a great day.